G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here and welcome back to my channel, The Car Wash Chronicles. Can you believe it? Car wash number 5. I officially closed today and look what's in my pocket. I got the keys. We got the keys to car wash number 5. Super excited. You guys probably saw this car wash in my previous video, gave you a little tour, but I just want to show you inside a little bit. The power and water is still not on. It's supposed to be on today. I called the companies to turn it on, but they still haven't done it. But let's go inside and see what's in there, see what I got with this car wash. I bought this car wash, I own the land, so I bought the land, but I did not pay anything for the car wash. And that's what you guys should do. Any rundown or closed down car wash, you don't pay anything for it. You buy what's land value, you get the car wash for free. So let's go check out what I got for free. Welcome home. So you can see we have 6 vacuums which they took off because they didn't want people to smash them, bash them up, break in and destroy them, so they took them off. Now they're all in good shape, so I got all these for free. That's about $12,000 I saved right there. So I've never seen a motor room like this. It's like 4 or 5 different rooms. This is the first little entranceway. I guess it's little storage. But let's go check out this room first, where all the motors and the pumps and the functionings of the car wash are. These pumps are much bigger than my other ones. I usually use a 310 cap pump. These are 820. So I don't have much experience with these. These are motors, they look in pretty good condition. It's got 2 fan belts, which I've never seen at any of my car washes, so if one breaks, we've still got another one. Comes with a lot of soap. Again, all of this came free. I bought land value. You've got a gas, a water heater, because it gets cold, but I don't know if I'll use that or not. We've got wax tank, hydrominders, some sort of disgusting chemical in there. Comes with the RO system for the spot free. This is the spot free tank. And then this is the RO system. They said it works. We'll have to test it out once we turn on the power. What else we got? Water softening system. I think they said that didn't work. Whole bunch of spare junk.
Come with the fridge.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Yeah.
Keep your tequila.
Beer, tequila, whatever. Look at this, Chris. Bunch of guns.
Wow.
A lot of spares, man.
Glock.
Yeah. Look at that. Beautiful.
I mean, they look pretty old and crummy, but
yeah, but
these are all the hoses from the vacuums. Obviously, I'll get all new stuff. I don't want to open up with the old crap. You know, this came with the car wash. All this stuff.
look at all that stuff right there. Boom.
More vending supplies. I mean, this car wash is coming with tens and tens of thousands of dollars. All those motors and pumps, that's, you know, so much money there saved. I'd be throwing numbers out, but there's probably $30,000 to $40,000 worth of stuff coming with this car wash, not to mention the infrastructure. It's permitted and zoned as a car wash. All the hoses and lines for the drains, they're all there in place. So all that is free. That's hundreds of thousands of dollars spent that I'm getting for free. I just bought it for land value.
Just check it out, all the room.
Pretty good deal.
Nice.
So yeah, a bunch of tools, ladders.
Wheelbarrow.
Edwin's got himself a new hat.
Yeah. That's Hawaii.
It's really dark in here, but we got a compressor.
Compressor.
Another compressor.
Very nice.
Look at all this, all
Look
free.
It's
Probably
all
$1,000 worth of smelly trees for the vending machine.
Look at that.
And something else I like about this car wash that a lot of car washes don't have is its own little toilet. Get a shot of that toilet. So that's for you to destroy. Wow! Could have used that the whole time.
Yeah.
Comes with cool little toys. Donkey Kong. You can be security. Comes with this guy. You can be the dealer. And I don't know what she can be. Look at this old school clock.
Yeah. Time to go clean it now.
You're gonna have to clock in now. There you have it. I mean, all that came for free. And the cool thing about this is it's on Route 66. So talk about the American dream. Owning land on Route 66. Pretty cool, I think. Right opposite of Denny's, which is going to be our new lunch spot.
Yeah.
Got these bill changes. which supposedly work. They didn't say anything otherwise. So these work. So if they didn't have these, I'd have to buy brand new build changes, and they're about $6,000 each. So that's 12 grand I've saved right there.
One customer.
How you doing, brother? Yeah, I just got it today, but the water's not on yet. Yeah. So a couple of months it'll be open, brand new, better than ever.
What's your name?
Chris.
Australian, yeah?
Yes. I like how you said.
Guesser, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, take care, man. I'll see you around.
Alright, see you around. So there's already customers pulling in that want to use the car wash, but it's closed. So I always tell them come back in a couple of months when it's up and ready, and you know, we're going to paint this place, make it look good. All new hosing, we're going to paint the roof, put the vacuums in, all new hoses. The booms are good, so we're going to save the booms. You know, a lot of people always want to spend more than what's necessary, you know. It's already here, it works, there's nothing wrong with it. Just run a new hose through it and use it. Make it look good.
Retouch
it, repaint it. It comes with a scissor lift. So we won't even have to rent a scissor lift. We can just use that, scrape the roof. Edwin's gonna do that, that's his job. So I've already ordered lights. I think I'm gonna put 8 along here, really bright, make it super bright at nighttime. I'm gonna put 2 in each bay, LEDs, bright it up, make it look really nice. We've got cameras, we're gonna put them in over the weekend. And we've got the vacuums like you saw inside, we're gonna add the vacuums. This thing, never been a fan of these things. They always seem to break down and cost a lot to fix. But I think this is Edwin's project. This is all you, man.
100%, bro. I got this.
That's yours.
All right.
Do what you want with it.
All right. Hey, how about the sign right there? You see that?
Andy Car Wash 24-hour sign.
What do you think?
I mean, that sign is pretty small, but I like this sign up here.
All right. Car wash.
I want that to light up really bright. You know, catch the attention of cars driving by at nighttime. Very, very important to have good signage at nighttime, lit up. And the good thing about this property is it's around a bit of a bend. So cars from this way can see it so clearly. Cars from this way can see it so clearly. And like I said, cars have been pulling in and we're closed down. We're saying come back in a couple of months. Huge potential. I think it's going to do very well. Like I said, one other car wash up here. I'm going to blow them out of the water. And I'm super excited to announce that I finally made a course. It's available now. So for years, people have been saying, Chris, do you have a course on a simple step-by-step guide on how you find car washes, how you acquire car washes, how you run car washes. So I put all that information in this course. So if you guys are interested, go ahead, click on the link below, go through the process, check out my website. And if you're interested in owning a self-serve car wash the way that I get them, basically for free, then click on the link and check it out. Go get yourself the course. And also in the course, I am going to remodel this thing and I'm going to film the entire process, but it's not all going to go on YouTube. I'm going to put special segments in the course itself only for course members because it's going to be amazing content. It's going to be very valuable if you want to see someone firsthand renovate a self-serve car wash from this condition, putting in all the new equipment. Most of that's going to be in the course. So if you want to follow along, go grab it. Click in the link below. It's going to be fun. So come along for the ride, guys.
Thank you for watching Car Wash Chronicles. See you next time.